Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into a game changer for golfers looking to up their swing game, the MOMENTUS Weighted Golf Swing Trainer. This isn't just any golf club, it's the best weighted swing trainer on the market today. The MOMENTUS Weighted Golf Swing Trainer stands out for its innovative design and proven effectiveness. Designed as a shortened 7-iron, it incorporates patented technology where the weight is evenly distributed along the shaft. This unique feature helps golfers like you improve shot accuracy and swing speed, crucial for mastering your game. I saw a noticeable improvement in my swing consistency after just a few sessions. It helped me build confidence and precision with every swing. Compared to other swing trainers, the MOMENTUS stands out due to its comprehensive weight distribution and professional-grade construction. It's truly designed to elevate your golfing experience. In conclusion, if you're serious about improving your golf game, the MOMENTUS Weighted Golf Swing Trainer is a game-changer. From its innovative design to proven results, it's no wonder it's a favorite among professionals and enthusiasts alike. That wraps up our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we uncover the best in innovation and performance. See you next time.